danger index will reach the low category. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL 23 on Perry Peak. The National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Campbell County in northeastern Wyoming, West Central Crook County in northeastern Wyoming, until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Gillette Airport, or 12 miles north of Gillette, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gillette Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas in Wyoming: Central Campbell, Crook, and Northern Campbell. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL